Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the chart color on MetaTrader 5 on desktop. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 software and choose your currency. And as you can see here, the chart color is black. And let's say I want to change it. So just click on the right click on the chart and go to properties. After that, make sure you are in colors. If you find yourself here on common, click on colors. And as you can see here, the background color is black. So click on it and choose the color you want, any one of these. So let's say, for example, this one, pink. And as you can see, the color has been changed. Let's choose, for example, green. And I think that you get the idea. After that, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.